All right, guys. Turbo's mounted up. We got some final welding to do on the mount, the support. We got the blanket test fitted on here. It looks really badass. The guys were working on the coolant pipes, of course. Lee got the up pipe all wrapped up, and charge piping is like 75% done, I think. Just a couple final welds, and we'll look into some bead rolling. And otherwise, the turbo setup, we got the crossover on the back as well. Yep, we got the little blanket. Ooh, our neighbors get down sometimes. But James is wrapping up the wiring. As you can see, there's a couple more little things. We got to mount those coils.
That's Pico to you, bro.
That's Pico because he's the guy-o. And we're hoping to test fire this thing today. And while he's getting that, Lee's doing his thing over there, I'm gonna throw this big aluminum drive shaft in. Leighton's putting in dipsticks over here.
What up, dipstick?
Dipstick.
That's thinking with your dipstick.
See what I did there, YouTube? See what I did there?
Can't fill it with fluid till we know how much we got to put in, right?
Check it out. This is the new Race Flux matte finish silicone high temp sleeve that you're featured here. If you could check the difference between this silicone and the silicone hose we've got right there. That is shiny silicone. I'll pair the two.
Yeah, look how dusty that already... We haven't even done anything with this hose yet, and it's already dusty. It's been there for like a day in this thing. Hopefully the point is that this stuff will not attract dust, and if it does get dusty, you can wipe it off a lot easier. So, should be...
And you guys know, big turbos right here make lots of dust.
Leighton loves his big turbos and his little pointer. Now that is one gorgeous looking engine ground. Mr. Lee has just been slinging aluminum all morning here. Look at this guy. Gorgeous.
coils, as you can see.
These coils right here.
Yeah.
Back to the big ass turbo.
This is gonna be a blooper reel, fool.
Okay, this is getting kinky. All right, we got some teamwork going on here. Guys are getting
teamwork, guys.
Yeah. Right. So back to teamwork. Dreamwork makes the dream work.
teamwork makes the dream work.
Here you go, everybody.
So Leighton went overboard, and yes, he rake hemmed our spark plug wires, and it's the coolest thing I think I've ever seen on spark plug wires.
That's manager's orders, bro. I just do what I was told.
It's pretty dope, and we're gonna get some beauties once it's all done because it's coming out sick. So Mr. Nick Jackson's here, and we're actually about to test fire this beast for the first time. Just doing our final checks. We got all the piping buttoned up, just for an initial test start, of course. And we're about ready to rock.
Here, a different turnover. Let me check for spark before. What?
You okay?
Where's my finger?
It worked!
All right, we got 7 out of 8 cylinders going. That's good.
We got-
Oh my god, my finger. Fuck right now.
All right.
We're really trying to get 1,000 volts.
Ooh, shit, boys.
All right, for real this
I
time.
felt the spark from every orifice of my body trying to touch the body.
Here we go. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah.
Woo!
You don't want to just hand braking. You want to go up, down, up, down,
Yeah,
up,
yeah, yeah.
down. You don't want to let it just idle. My boss like, don't just goose it. You.
Get you some of that, Nick.
I was already
I
way
love
more
it.
excited
Get you some of that,
than
Leighton. You
Rock
got
happened, boys.
Leighton.
Sounds good.
Dude,
Anybody who didn't catch that, Leighton was checking spark and it fired off.
got
He
spark.
He got spark.
Hell yeah.
hell yeah, dude.
Good work,
Good job,
boys.
Tim.
Good work. Thank you.
There it is.
Hell yeah,
Thank you,
Mr.
guys.
Jackson.
Fuck yeah.
Now you can
I'm
do your
stoked.
video and fire it for your video. And
I'm
shit.
stoked. I'm just gonna use that one.
All right. Fuck yeah, boys.
All right, next step, we're gonna button all this up, get it ready for the road, so Nick can do some burnouts.
We're cleaning up. Shop closed. We're done.
That's it. It's Friday. We're
Okay,
done.
boys, we're done.
Bye.